Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install VS Code for macOS. Now I am going to download VS Code for Mac. Open web browser. Maximize web browser. Go to Google search bar. Type here to search. Download VS Code for Mac. Press enter. Click on first link, code.visualstudio.com. Go to Mac option. Let's click on it. Now the downloading is started. It is 224 megabits setup. After downloading is completed, let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Right-click on VS Code Darwin Universal.zip. Open with Archive utility. Visual Studio Code application extracted successfully. Copy VS Code application. Click Applications. Paste VS Code in application. Let's close applications. Click on Launchpad. Click VS Code application. Verifying Visual Studio Code. Click Open. Maximize application. Click Extensions. Click Popular. I am installing Python language support with extensions. Click Install. The Python supporting installing. In the meanwhile you can read quick start steps. I have already installed Python on this machine. Now the Python installed, get started with Python development. Now I am going to create Python file. Let's click on it. Let's close welcome page. I am writing a simple basic adding to number program. A is equal to 15. Press enter. B is equal to 35. Press enter. RES is equal to A plus B. Press enter. Print. Type RES under open and close bracket. Now the basic sample adding to number program is created. Click on Run. You need to save this file. I am given it name add.py. Save in Documents. Click Save. Click Allow. As you can see the answer, 50. Let's close this file. I will show you this file in Documents. Click Finder. Click Documents. Here it is our file. Let's close Documents. Go to VS Code again. Click Maximize. Now I am open this file again. Click File. Click Open. Select add.py. Click Open. Click Open again. Now run the command again. As you can see the answer again 50. Let's close VS Code. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install VS Code on macOS. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.